So the system that we're installing today is a fully variable speed Goodman side discharge unit. And what does that mean, variable speed? Variable speed means instead of being 100% on or 100% off, like the light switch in this room, it means that we have like a dimmer switch. So instead of being 100% on, we can slowly get it to come up to speed or slowly bring it down to speed. So think about it like having cruise control on the interstate, right? You set it at 70 miles per hour, and depending on the terrain, your car will automatically give it more gas or less gas to maintain that 70. So same thing here. If we set this thing at 70 degrees, the compressor will ramp up or ramp down depending on what the outdoor temperature is, the indoor temperature is, and it's a learning thermostat. So as the homeowner uses this thermostat right here, they're going to be able to learn, or the equipment will learn the patterns of the homeowner. It will also learn the outdoor ambient conditions as well. So it'll make smarter decisions as it goes along. And the whole thing is, if we set this thing at 70, it's going to say, okay, I know at 88 degrees outside at 67% relative humidity, this homeowner likes it at 70 degrees, 50% relative humidity. That variable speed compressor say, hey, I need to run at 33.4%. So that's how it saves money. It's not always 100% on or 100% off. And so the other thing about the system that homeowners have to get used to is that it runs more often. And a lot of people associate if it runs more often, that means it's going to cost me more in power. That's not the case. It's kind of like going back to the automobile, right? If you're on cruise control and you're on a good level ground and you're going 70 miles an hour, that's when you're going to get your best fuel efficiency, right? For miles traveled, that's your best fuel efficiency. Well, when you're in town and you're stop and go traffic, start and stop, that's when you get your worst fuel efficiency. So think about that from an HVAC standpoint. If we start and stop, that's not very efficient. But if we kind of have this level, constantly almost running, you don't use as much energy. And that's how you stay more comfortable, and that's how you lower your utility bills.